Good morning, guys. How's it going? My name's Travis Martin. Welcome to Trade Confident. We're having a blast over here. There's a lot of us that did really well this weekend, and if you guys are not subscribed to this channel, definitely do so. Turn the bell notification on. If you guys want to trade with us, come over and trade with us. We are currently 52. Let me just show this to you guys real quick. It's pretty insane what we were able to do this weekend. We ended up winning our 52nd trade here. I'll show this to you guys down here. It was actually on Link. It was pretty crazy here. It wasn't a big win, but I wanted us to get out of here with a profit. But this did end up actually marking our 52nd trade on this channel. We have not lost a trade yet, guys. We ended up taking some pretty crazy profits. 9.22% profit on VET, 16.16% profit on SOL. You guys can see in here, 12.47% on BTC. We moved that stop loss there. We ended up doing 6.3% over here, and this was on ADA, and then we had another one over here, 5.5%. It has been so crazy what you guys have been able to do in here, and I'm so happy to be running with you guys. I'm in here. I'm trading my own money. I'm doing well. I'm super happy with how much money we've made this year. You know, if you guys look at this, we've been like going down this bear market cycle, and we've actually been making money. We've been winning trades all the way through a bear market. So I get that question a lot. Do you win trades, Travis, in a bear market and a bull market? Yeah. We actually do. I actually almost prefer a bear market, to be honest with you guys. So let me update you guys on what happened on the last Ethereum trade. So you guys are like, man, your chart looks totally different. You're right, because I did end up moving everything away. So let me show you guys what happened here, and we'll get into this. I'm going to cheat here real quick. I need to search this. I can't remember where I put it. There it is. Okay, so this was the exit for 100%. So watch this real quick. This was our 50% exit here, and we ended up taking a break-even entry at 3,258. I'm sorry this is blurry. I promise it'll get better when I get back over to the chart. Just want to make this transparent and keep everything honest with you guys. Ended up exiting over the weekend for 5.50%. You guys can see that right here. I also put it down here. Definitely a winning trade for us. It was looking very, very good, and we started pushing up into the top section there. This ended up marking down here our 48th for 48th win, as you guys can see. So I want to make sure you guys are fully clear about that, because I did end up changing the chart. Why did I change the chart, guys? Because we are literally back into a long trade just like that, and I did get picked up. This was updated 2 days ago on the buy limits. You guys should have gotten picked up at 3,346.52. If you're watching over the weekend, that's where the buy limit was. So if you guys are not in this trade yet, hint, hint, and you guys want to trade along with us and you want to start winning some trades with us, I can't guarantee anything, guys. Like, I'm sure we're going to lose trades in the future. I think it's going to be very difficult because we use very good risk management, but I think you guys are going to love this. So join me today on this trade. So actually, let's start there. If you guys want to join me on this trade, let's just dive into this. You guys know about the indicators. I'll cover that later. Pricing. So this is $49 a month. This gives you access to all the metrics in here, and I will be going over the metrics for Ethereum today. Make sure you guys watch that. But here's what you guys need to be doing. It's over here on the front page of live trades. Guys, all of us are doing this. Like, I literally have trades in here right now for Ethereum that got triggered. You guys can see it right there. That got triggered based off those buy limits. This is what you guys need to do. Come over here and click on Ethereum, click on Dogecoin, click on Cardano, click on Ripple, anything you guys want. Set up your buy limits. So here's how you do this real quick, and then we'll go over the analysis, okay? For Bitcoin, I'm going to use this as an example. If you have $1,000, I want you guys to look to put 25% at each level. So if you have $1,000, 250 is going to go here, 250 here, 250 here, 250 here, okay? Once your first buy limit is hit, I want you guys to be setting your sell limit at the first yellow line. If you have any questions, watch this video here or email me. I can totally help you guys. But what you guys can do right now is on Ethereum, you guys can go ahead and market order in here if you would like. I don't say this much, but since you're so close and you're only 1.19% away from the entry where we got in, and if you're brand new to this channel, you can market order in with 25%, but please do not miss this. Go over here to the live trades and make sure you're setting up the Ethereum buy limits, the other three in here. So what you're going to do is you're going to forego the first buy limit because you're doing a market order. So you're going to put 25% at the second yellow line, 25% at the third, and 25% at the fourth. Okay, that will end up having on the books in your exchange 100% of your trade. And then you guys are just going to wait, and you guys want to make sure once you're done with that, come down to Telegram, click the live link, and it will add you over into the channel over here. Okay, this is only for paid members only. The last thing you guys need to do, get the indicators over here. I am upping the price of the price versus the well money flow this month. I'm also, before the end of the year, going to up the trend exhaustion again because I believe they're worth way more than what I'm charging you guys in here, to be completely honest. Okay, the bundle pack pack is not going to go up in price. This is absolutely your best deal because I'm going to keep this at the same price. I'm not upping it this month so you guys can snag those. Okay, let's go over this now that you know how to set up this trade and get into it because I want to show you guys where I think this is going to head, okay? Watch this with me. Price versus well money flow and trend exhaustion. When this has pushed to the bottom section before, I've shown this to you guys where we're end up calling this bear trap to the downside. I called this out in the Telegram channel. We moved up and I'm like, guys, watch for this to move back down, probably get a bear trap and we're going to move back up. That's exactly what happened. The indicators held true. Previous time before this, when we got to the bottom red section here, we ended up seeing this move on the chart, which was what was called positive divergence. Price action ended up moving down while you guys saw the money flow move back into the market, a low and a higher low. We also saw the trend exhaustion moving up in the market as well. This was a precursor, guys, a precursor. Like we're calling moves before the market does it. A precursor that you're probably going to move back up, okay? That is how we were able to call that. Looking over here, I want to show you guys some top positions. When we got to the top, we saw this move back down, literally calling this perfectly. If you follow this straight up in a line, that did call it a drop before it happened. We also were able to call a drop over here with the well money flow, the trend exhaustion. I've shown this to you guys so many times where you end up getting a high and you end up getting a lower high when you have money flowing straight out of the market. This cannot keep going up. This will move back down. And that is why I do believe we end up seeing it move back down. We end up seeing it come back down over here. This ended up calling the bottom before we moved back up. We even saw this get to the top red sections over here, perfectly calling the move down right there. Right when it got to the bottom red section, guys, it could not go any lower. It had to stop and it reversed. Then we got back up into the red section here. It had to stop and then it reversed. And then we got down to this, not bottom, but the second red. And it was like, okay, we can't go down anymore. We got to move back up. Literally, guys, we have people making thousands of dollars a week just using the trend exhaustion alone. This is why I'm upping the prices of these indicators, so get them now before I do that, okay? Now, that you see this, I show this to you guys on almost every video so you can see the integrity of it. So you're not just like, oh, does it actually work? Yes, I do believe these are the best indicators you guys can use for crypto. I've said this before. I've coded indicators for tradingview.com users. That's how I made my living a couple years ago. I put everything I knew into these indicators. You guys, these are some of the best possible out there. Okay, watch this. What happened over the weekend was we saw consolidation in here. What I was also looking for in here was that we saw the trend exhaustion at the top section as well as the well money flow. In the past, this has signaled to us that we are looking for moves back down in the market. We did end up seeing this move back down here, but we are seeing a little bit of a rebound. We saw this over here where we saw this move up to the top, move up to the top, move up to the top, and then this move back down. Okay. What could possibly happen here is that while we're seeing this money flow out of the market, this could be a precursor that we could start moving down to some structure lows, which would probably put us around this 3,100 mark. The metrics are going to show us that better, so give me a second, I'll go over that. But I do think this is where we could possibly be heading for Ethereum. Now, is there a possibility we could be heading back up here? Yes, absolutely. That's totally true. If you look at this, we are pushing down further and further and further to the bottom red section. When that does happen, and if we do start seeing these lower sections hit again, guys, every single time we've hit there, the price has moved back up. Like, please do the research for yourself if you don't believe, like, literally the hundreds of hours I've done showing you guys the accuracy of this. When we get back down here, we need to be watching for a move up. I believe this could create an incredible higher low for us, and then we could start moving back up. Guys, get into some long trades. I'm not a financial advisor. I can't say that, but like when I'm excited on the charts with you guys and I'm like, hey, we've won 52 for 52 trades. I think we're going to do very well in this trade. I don't care if this thing goes down. We have 3 other buy limits. Obviously, these aren't the places. We have 3 other buy limits structured really far down here that if we move down, I'm actually hoping this price goes down further so we can get picked up. But hey, if it goes up, guys, we're all in a trade right now and we're all going to make money. That's why it's so hard to lose trades on this channel, is because we're dollar cost averaging. We're making really good calls on here and we're just spreading out our money using risk management. And if we go up, we're all going to make money. Like, let's all celebrate this week if this thing goes up. If it goes down, let's celebrate because we have more of our money in the market because our second buy limit will be hit. Like, this is so fun, guys. Once you understand like how we're trading here, it just becomes like super, super fun. Okay, let's go over Ethereum metrics here for a second. I'm sorry if I'm like overjacked for some of you guys. Like, I get excited because I look at this over here. I have people saying, hey, I sent $4,000 off to my family that lives overseas so I can support my family based off your strategy because I'm doing so well. Like, that is crazy. And I feel so sounds cheesy. I feel like so warm in my heart, like hearing that I can help people do that. Like people taking their accounts from $33,000 to $40,000. This guy makes $1,000 while he's sleeping in here. It's crazy. This guy does 250 off his $300. That's crazy percentages. This guy does $2,000 in 2 days. He's like, yeah, give me the price for Swell Money Flow. We hooked him up there. By the way, same price right now for you guys for the Well Money Flow. This guy ended up doing $2,000 in the morning when he traded. Like we had this guy do $6,000 on Solana last week, and then he did $10,000 profit on ADA. Like come in here and just have a blast. Like this is why I get so jacked on these videos, because if you guys know this, like from a creator perspective, I get excited when you guys benefit, obviously, because it's like if you were to create a product out there, it doesn't matter what it is. I'm sure a lot of you guys are business owners. My brother actually owns a restaurant in town. When his customers are excited and they love the food, like we get jacked about what we're doing, and like we love helping other people. So anyways, hopefully that's not too much for you guys, but I'm excited in this market right now because we've been doing really well. So come join us. Okay. It's $49 a month. That's it. Super cheap. Yes, I am looking to raise this. You guys have heard me say that in the past. I am looking to raise it. It's super cheap. Just get on here. Okay. Emotional index, guys, we're pushing up closer to this excited area. If we start seeing Ethereum start to move up higher here and we create this, low, high, higher, low, higher, high formation, maybe touching structure up here, this is probably going to push us up into the excited, maybe the greedy section by the end of the week. It's going to have to take a lot. But this area up here is where a lot of institutions and whales are going to be looking to short. Okay, follow me down here. I just want to make that very clear. A lot of excited people in the market. Because here's what's happening. There's a lot of people with these green candles in here who are FOMOing. Like literally people are buying into this up here. And yes, I know we're some of them, but I can almost guarantee a lot of them don't have the risk management that we have. Okay. We might not win the biggest trades out there. I'm not going to be, someone told me they're called moon boys, I guess. I learned that new term from someone I was coaching the other day. Moon boys. Definitely not a moon boy over here. Like we are using really good risk management. So people who are like older, and like have literally I coach people who have $1 million in crypto. They don't concern themselves with like moon boys, okay? They want a safe place where they can put their money and their good dollar cost average entries where they can know that after a year they're actually going to have, their money back and make some, okay? We're not trading risky on this channel ever, okay? I promise. I worked hard for my money. I'm not going to lose it. Okay, Ethereum. Watch this in here, guys. Is this this is interesting here what's happening, because Ethereum in here we have the price moving up, but short trades are still moving out of the market. So I want you guys to watch the metric today and tomorrow. I am watching this very closely with you because I want to see if short trades increase. If short trades increase, this tells me that Wells, institutions, and smart money, possibly, they're looking to acquire some short trades in the market, which I can show you this to you guys already, the on-chain metrics below. But watching, this is on-chain metrics right here. If you guys are watching this over the next, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, even pushing into the weekend, if this comes up here, I do believe that's going to put some pressure on this and we could see some fast crashes back down. So definitely watch for the exit I might be calling in here for Ethereum, okay? You guys know this. Come down here, click Telegram after you get your $49 a month membership. That will click the live link for you guys and it will add you automatically into the Telegram channel, okay? With this over here, we have long trades increasing, short trades decreasing. I want us to just watch this because if short trades increase, that's going to give us a little bit of a sign we could be heading back down. It's what happened over here. Short trades ended up increasing while we headed up in price action, and then we saw them move back down, okay? Same thing over here. Short trades increased while the long trades increased, and then that's when we saw the crash back down. So I want you guys to watch that correlation there because it's held true the last two times, okay? Let's move down here. Looking at long versus short trade risk in the market, this is showing us that we are getting close to the good short trade section, okay? I'm going to get questions about this, so I'm going to answer this right now. Travis, why in the world are you going long when this says good short trade? Well, here's the reason, guys, is that our risk management has ridiculous dollar cost average entries in here that literally our next buy limit, I don't know exactly where it is, but I believe I put it somewhere down here. So this is our first. Our second, we have a third and a fourth. Guys, if this thing keeps going up and just keeps going and going and going, which I do believe it has that potential, I want us to get some skin in the game. Here's the difference, guys. We're not FOMOing into like these top prices. What I'm doing in here, guys, is because I see momentum in here and I am bullish on Bitcoin for the end of the year. I just came out with these videos like last week. I said before Christmas time, I do believe there's a bull run coming in here. So what I'm doing is I'm preparing us for this bull run, but I'm protecting us if we go down so we can get some good dollar cost average entries. Please see the wisdom in this, guys, because here's the thing. If this shoots up here, like I do expect to see this bull run continue a little bit, then we want to have some skin in the game. Okay, I didn't expect the bull run to continue over here. I was calling drops, and I think I frustrated a bunch of people and got hate mail because I was calling a drop in the market over here. But I am bullish on crypto before the end of the year. That's why I want us to get some skin in the game. Who cares if it goes down? I kind of want it to go down secretly, guys, to get more money in the market. But just follow me here. Well, institution and smart money, what are they doing here? We can clearly see that they're acquiring short trades in the market here. So I do believe there's some smart money out there, some big transactions that are looking to start trying to short this out in the market. Remember, guys, this is overall the sentiment of the market. This is just one blockchain, which is on Bitfinex, to show you guys trades. So watch this today and see if we can see the short trades increasing here. This is an overall sentiment. So when you guys see that long trades are increasing in the market, this is usually when the price is moving down and all your retail traders are getting very scared and fearful, anxious and fearful. See, guys, when they're getting anxious and fearful down here, when we're pushing into these bottom sections, we see that wells and institutions are accumulating long trades. This is exactly what we did, guys, and we won 5 trades off this one single move right here. It's all logged in the Telegram channel. Go back and look at all the trades, guys. It's been insane, okay? This is why I do believe we could see another move back down, or like I said in Bitcoin, at least a higher low formation where we could see something like this, where we get a low, a high, a higher low, and maybe a higher high. Okay, follow me over here and we're going to end this video. Support and resistance prices, I do believe we can head up here to the top section. Obviously, $4,030. Let's look at that real quick. $4,030 is structure high. I know this is kind of crazy for some of you guys. I do believe if we get enough bull momentum in here, we could hit this by the end of November, where we could start seeing this move back up here and we could get up to this $4,000 level again. I do believe that's possible. Let's play both scenarios out here, okay? We need to look at both sides. Wisdom will look at both sides here, guys. We need to be looking at this level of $2,500. That is a psychological quarters theory number, if you guys know about quarters theory. That puts us at structure low down here. Yes, I do believe we could head down here. If we do, I'm going to get even more excited because we're going to get more buy limits picked up, more money in the market. And what I believe is going to happen is the rubber band effect is going to take place, and this is going to shoot up. Okay, it's going to move down, and then I believe we're going to get a shot back up because the demand is going to be so strong. Guys, this trade setup here is incredible. I'm just telling you guys, get over here and set this trade up if you want to trade. I know you're following a bunch of different YouTube channels. Awesome. I respect all of that, obviously. But I think we've got something special here, and I highly recommend you guys join us because I think we're going to do very well this month. And we're on day 4, and we have a bunch of trade setups right now, okay? Dollar cost average entries. We haven't seen a bar go off for a while here. This is just for you guys who want to hold for 5 to 10 years. My best plan for you guys in here is to use the buy limits and get in here and trade this in and out. With holding, guys, you never get to take advantage of compound interest. Why? Because you hold, you buy, and you hold. What we're doing in here is we're winning trades, we're exiting, we're winning, we're exiting, we're compounding our interest, which is the 8th wonder of the world, and we're actually making more money every time. That's why I've stopped actually withdrawing. Like, yes, I've come in here and I've withdrawn. If you guys are wondering if Coinbase is safe, yes, Coinbase is absolutely safe, guys. Like, I've done plenty of withdrawals in here if you guys want to see. Like, even this year, I took 546 here, took my wife and our kids out to dinner, we just had our baby. By the way, he just turned... he's 6 weeks old today. I know a lot of you guys have been following me on that, but he's turned 6 weeks old. He's such a cute little baby boy. Anyways, love that guy to death. So this is for holding positions, okay? If you're looking down here to exit points, this is calling us that we could be seeing a drop back down in the market. Last time we got this accumulation of red bars in here, we ended up seeing this move back down. Now, is this going to call the moves at the top every time? No way. I don't even need them to, guys. We're going to be, if this happens in here, this is where we need to be looking to scale out of the market. Now, again, I know I'm going to get this question, so please hear me out here. Since we're at the top here, your question is like, why in the world are we going long right now? It is because I do believe we could still see some movement up here in Ethereum. Okay, there's intuition that you sometimes build in your system when you've traded as long as I have. I know that sounds arrogant, but literally, over 3,000 hours of trading, there is something in me that says, I think a lot of people are looking for this to move back down. I do believe that this could see another move back down, but I do feel as though we could see this pump up here a little bit further. Now, what I'm doing is I'm positioning us in here at a very good price here where we are going to be able to take advantage of this if it skyrockets up and it keeps going, or if it moves back down, we're going to get triggered and we're going to have a break-even entry that is extremely favorable for us when and if we keep moving back down. I usually like to wait a little bit further as a move down, but we are not getting in at top prices. We did end up waiting for this move back down. So I want to just be very clear about that so you guys can understand that. From the top here, we are getting in on this at about a 3 to 4% discount, at about a 3.72% discount. So I do love that we are always getting on discounts and we are never buying at the exact top. That is something I can promise to you guys. We're always going to buy on discount and never at the top. That's what I call FOMOing in and using your emotions. Okay, so let's wrap this up, guys. Come trade with us. Membership is $49 a month. I seriously believe this is the cheapest you will ever find online for the amount of trades we're winning and the accuracy that we have. Yes, I'm looking to up this price. Everyone who gets in at $49 a month will be grandfathered in, so you guys will not have to pay the higher price. As long as you keep your membership, you guys can keep that forever. Even if I up this to $100 to $200 a month, you guys can keep it at $49 a month. And you guys can keep taking our trade signals and all of that. Get your membership, set up your 4 buy limits on any coins that you want. Every single coin, guys, I promise you, I will cover over here. If you don't believe me, sign up and look at Ethereum. There's ADA that I covered. There's Bitcoin that I covered. There, right here is, which one was this one? This is VET that I covered. Here's Matic that I covered. Like, guys, I'm covering all of these. I covered Sol in here. So all of the coins that I track over here, I will give you guys updates as far as what I'm doing in the Telegram channel, so you can literally feel like you're sitting next to me and trading exactly with me. Every call that I make over here on the coins that I make sure this goes out to you guys first, and then I place my trades on Coinbase Pro. I'm not taking trades before I put this out here. I know I just want to point that out, guys. I post it and then I take it. So I take it with you guys. I'm not in here trying to say, oh, I exit first before you guys. If you ever want to see proof of that, come in here and actually take screenshots of all my orders, and you guys will actually see that on the open orders here of all the ones that are filled. And you guys can actually time it over here, and you'll see that I'm taking them afterwards with you guys. I want to do this as a family, guys. I want to do this as a team, and I am having so much fun with you guys. So that's what I want you guys to do. Make sure you guys pick up the trend exhaustion and the price versus the money flow for sure. This indicator is what you guys need the most, and the price versus the money flow is going up at the end of the month. The bundle pack is the best deal to get today because this is not going to be going up. Guys, coming into the holidays, this is going to stay the same, and these are just going to keep going up in value, so this is going to be your best bet so you guys get appreciating value. God bless you guys so much. I would get into this trade. Just a hint, I would get into this trade, guys. Let's manage it. Let's see if we can go for 60 for 60 wins in the month of October. And I will see you guys on the next video. God bless you guys so much. Everything you need is in the description, as well as the first comment of this YouTube video that I've pinned. I'll see you guys later. If you have any questions, email me, btradeconfident@gmail.com. Bye, guys.